How to make modern dubstep drop. Let's start with a kick. Another kick for layer. Snare. R-bass in mono mode to add weight and center the snare. Another snare for layering. Frequency shifter. And a Foley. Simple cymbals. A crash. 2 sustain bass. A powerful chain. You can download this free chain on description. Also, if you want to help the channel, I invite you to purchase a sample or preset pack. You will find a wide variety of unique styles and sounds. Some growls. The second part is a rhythm style, with the same kick, and many layers for clap and Foleys. Some wonky bass. And fill growls. A simple build-up with snare and some effects. Let's check. You can download this FLP on Patreon. Also check my samples and presets on website. All links on description. Thanks for watching.